Hello guys, my name is Akash and today in this video I'll be reviewing the latest smartphone of Honor from its X series, which is this one, the Honor 9X. So watch the video till the end. So first of all, let's just quickly see what we get inside the box. We get the Honor 9X itself, a SIM ejector tool, a silicone case, power brick and USB Type-C cable. The phone comes with triple camera setup on back with 48 megapixel primary lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide and 2 megapixel depth sensor, and for selfies a 16 megapixel AI camera with pop-up motorized function is provided, and which is really cool. I took photos and shot some videos using its camera and I must say it is really good. Have a look at this slow motion video shot by Honor 9X. If we talk about its design, so as expected from Honor, the design of the phone is really good. However, I didn't like the black variant of Honor 9X as it comes with the plain design with no X patterns. The signature X patterns of the Honor 9X is not present on this black variant, so I didn't like the black variant. But yes, the blue variant of this smartphone is really very good, and for the design part, Honor did a really good job. For the usage part, it runs on Android Pie with EMUI 9.1 and will soon get the EMUI 10 update as promised by Honor. The phone comes with this high silicon Kirin 710F chipset, and a 4000 mAh battery is powering this device. Unfortunately, it do not supports the fast charging, but yes, it can be charged from 10% to 100% in less than 2 hours. For the security, the biometrics is there. The fingerprint sensor is present on the back and it works really well. But unfortunately, there is no face unlock in this smartphone as it's powered by this pop-up camera. So maybe this is the reason why they didn't give the face unlock feature in this smartphone. Guys, this was my review of Honor 9X, and I have also used the Honor 8X and Honor 7X, and I must say this is a good upgrade from Honor 8X in terms of camera, in terms of design, and also the battery. So what are your thoughts on the smartphone from Honor, the Honor 9X? Do let me know in the comments down below, and if you like my work, so hit that like button and share this video. Also subscribe to Akash J Kashyap, and I hope to see you guys in the next video.